Do you ever look at your savings and wish they were doing more? Maybe you've put money aside diligently month after month, but it feels like it's just sitting there. Time keeps ticking by, and those big dreams, maybe a home of your own, a comfortable retirement, or just a bit more financial freedom, seem so far away. You've heard people talk about investing, about making your money work for you, but it all sounds so complicated. Where would you even begin? That little seed of curiosity, that desire for growth, is the very first step. Often, the first glimpse into the world of investing can feel like stepping into a whirlwind. Charts, jargon, endless options. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. It's easy to feel intimidated, like it's a club you don't have the secret password for. But hang on. Before you get lost in the complexity, take a deep breath. The real second step isn't about picking stocks or timing the market. It's much simpler. Learn the basics. Just take a little time to understand the fundamental ideas. What is risk? What does return mean? What are the main ways people invest? You don't need a finance degree, just a basic understanding to build your confidence. Think of it as learning the rules of the road before you start driving. Okay, so you're starting to learn. Now let's ask a crucial question. Why? Why are you considering investing? What are you hoping to achieve? Are you dreaming of putting a down payment on a house in 5 years? Planning for your kids' education down the road? Or are you thinking long-term, picturing a comfortable retirement decades from now? Maybe it's a mix of things. Defining your financial goals is like setting a destination on a map. It gives your investment journey purpose and helps you figure out the best path to get there. Knowing your why makes the how much clearer. All right, we have the knowledge building and the goals in sight. Now for a dose of reality, in a good way. It's time to check your finances. Take an honest look at your income and expenses. Maybe track your spending for a month or use a simple budgeting app to see where your money is truly going. Understand your needs, your wants, and what you're currently saving. Before you even think about investing, it's wise to have a safety net, an emergency fund for those unexpected life events. Once that's in place or while you're building it, ask yourself, how much can you comfortably set aside for investing regularly? This isn't about finding huge sums of money right away. Maybe it's just a small amount to start. The cost of a few coffees, perhaps. The key is consistency and ensuring it's money you won't need immediately, money you can afford to leave invested through potential market ups and downs. Starting small and consistently often beats waiting to accumulate a large lump sum. Consider automating it if you can. Setting up a regular transfer makes investing a priority without extra effort. Make that conscious decision. This portion is for my future growth. And remember, your starting point is unique to you. Don't compare it to others. Investing involves risk. There's no way around that. But risk means different things to different people, and it's not just about numbers. It's about your feelings too. Understanding your risk tolerance is about figuring out your personal comfort zone. How would you really feel if your investments temporarily lost value on paper? Would it cause sleepless nights and constant worry? Or can you see it as a normal part of the long-term journey, like waves in the ocean? Think about it like choosing a hiking trail. Are you looking for a smooth paved path with gentle slopes, lower risk, potentially lower reward? Or are you okay with a rockier, steeper climb that might get you to a higher peak faster, but also carries the risk of a stumble? Higher risk, potentially higher reward? Are you aiming for potentially faster growth for long-term goals, which often comes with more bumps in the road? Or are you happier with slower, steadier progress, perhaps for shorter-term goals? There's no right or wrong answer. It's about what suits your personality, your timeline, and your financial goals. Many beginners start with lower risk tolerance, and that's perfectly fine. Your comfort level might even change over time as you learn more or as your life circumstances shift. Being honest with yourself now helps you choose initial investments that align with how much uncertainty you're comfortable with, making it easier to stick with your plan. Look at that. You've taken the time to learn the basics, you've defined your personal goals, you've assessed your budget realistically, and you've considered your own comfort level with risk. These preparatory steps, the ones often rushed past, are actually the most crucial part of building a solid foundation for your investing journey. See? Investing doesn't have to be some big, scary mystery when you approach it thoughtfully, step by step. You've empowered yourself with knowledge and self-awareness. You're now much better prepared to explore the next phase, researching different types of investment accounts, comparing brokers or platforms, looking at things like fees, ease of use, and available educational tools, and eventually making those first well-considered investments. Remember the importance of starting small and aiming for diversification. That just means not putting all your eggs in one basket, helping to manage risk. Investing is usually a marathon, not a sprint, a journey of continuous learning. So be patient with yourself, stay curious, keep learning, and give yourself a pat on the back for starting smart and taking control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. I hope this first look gives you a clearer basic understanding of what getting started with investing and organizing your money involves. Have a great time.